Miss Sheknows, we need you to identify the very crafty aircraft, fighting aircraft, that they have been using to fight in this World War III. Are you able to point it out if we show you pictures? Yes, I believe so. Okay, so let's take a look. Do you see anything that resembles what you've seen in the sky, Mrs. Sheknows? Well, it's so many of them, and they're starting to all look the same, other than the ones that's, maybe it was that one right there. Are you sure, Mrs. Sheknows? Well, I know it wasn't this one because it didn't have a cross on it. I would have seen that, or a star, or whatever that is. And it looks like that when it was long like that, but it wasn't the army fatigue looking. Can you go back up, please, sir? I've seen this one before. All right, so you want to go back up? Yes, please. Do you see it, ma'am? I think I can identify it. I think I can. I think this is it. This one right here, sir. This one. Yes, I believe that's it. Military attack helicopter. Flying. U.S. Air Force HH-60G Pave Hawk helicopter. So this is a military attack helicopter, and it's flying in the air. Yes, I believe that's it. This is what I seen on tonight on 8/16. It was several of them coming in, one after the other. Started at 8:17, and then 9:12, and then 9:17 and 9:20 p.m. Yep, that's it. This is it, sir. I'm sure of it. Absolutely. HH-60G pave.